IB class. Today I would like to share my journey of learning English. I started learning English when I was in kindergarten. At that time, I learned simple English words as colors, number, animal names, and greeting. That time was still every year. I enjoy learning English because it was fun and interesting. I like learning new words and trying to remember them in my daily activities. When I entered elementary school, my parents enrolled me in an English course. I learned more vocabulary, simple conversation, reading, and writing. Because I studied English but at school and in the course, my English skill improved significantly. I was able to understand many words and simple sentences, and I became more confident in learning English. One of the most memorable moments in my learning journey was when I was able to understand simple conversation in English and answer my teacher's question. I feel proud because realized that my efforts were paying off since then English has become one of my favorite subjects. However, after graduating from elementary school, I stopped attending English courses because I no longer practice regularly. I begged to forget some of the vocabulary and grammar that I had learned before of them. I realized that my English skills were not as good as they had been when I was actively taking courses. This became one of the big challenges in my learning journey. Even though I faced difficult, I never completely stop learning English. I continued learning through song, move, social media, and English lesson at school. Sometimes I look up the meaning of new words and try to memorize them. Tech activities helped me recall what I had learning before and gradually improve my English skill. I feel that my English ability has continued to develop over time. I can understand more vocabulary, read simple English text, and follow basic conversation better than before, although I still make mistakes. I have become more confident in learning and using English. One of my achievement is having a strong foundation in English for learning, which makes it easier for me to learn and improve my skills. In the future, I want to improve my English speaking and listening skill. I hope to speak English more fluently and confidently. I also want to communicate with people from different countries and use English to support my education and future career. To achieve this goal, I plan to practice English regularly, learning vocabulary every day. What English language videos, listen to English songs, and ask English more often in my daily life. From this Lego learning your I have learned that learning alone requires patience, effort, and consistency. I have also learned that forcing lesson and making mistakes are normal parts of the learning process. The most important thing is to keep learning and never give up. Every small step will help us become better. Thank you for listening to my story. This is my journey in learning English and hope to continue improving an English skill in the future. Terima kasih.